Shmai, hello, my name's Joshua Atwood and I'm a dancer with NDC Wales. I'm here with you this week for another Phrases for Small Spaces. This week's phrase will look at falling and recovery. It'll look at collapsing within movement whilst finding support in other parts of the body. I'm dedicating this week's phrase to the LGBTQ+ community, for all those out there who might be isolating in difficult situations or away from their chosen family. Happy Pride Month, everyone. So guys, as you might have seen, it is quite hard to loosen the neck and use the weight of the head within such a small space. Just for safety reasons, you want to be aware of your surroundings. So if you are going to experiment with this movement task, please do be safe. Don't be too reckless, but do have fun. And don't forget to upload your interpretation to Instagram.